पैरा पढ़ रहा हूँ रेलेवेंट, जो रेलेवेंट पैराग्राफ है वो पढ़ रहा हूँ
प्लीज
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले का। द स्पीकर is under a duty to summon and hold a sitting of the assembly in the present session and shall do so immediately and in any case not later than 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, that is today, 9th of April 2022, to conduct the business of the House as per the orders of the day that had been issued for 3rd April 2022 and in terms as stated in and required by Article 95 of the Constitution, read with Rule 37 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly Rules 2007. Now, this order of Supreme Court of Pakistan, declared by full bench, bounds you that you are bound to take up this agenda item and no other item. That is the intent of this order. You cannot deviate from this, and therefore I conclude my submissions. I will request you, please go for the voting on the resolution. Thank you very much.